Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to make this pretty stitch with only 2 rows. If you like that, let's get started. Start the work with a slip knot and then make a multiple of 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And repeat this work and make groups of 5 chains until the length of these chains reach the desired width. I made 35 chains totally, and now start row 1 from 7th chain from the hook. So skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chain and go to the next chain, and here make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and go to the next, and again make 5 double crochets here. Again, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chain and go to the next and make 5 double crochet. And we have to repeat this work. Skip 4 chain and make 5 double into next chain until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 1, and after last group, skip 1, 2 and 3 chain and make 1 double crochet into last chain. And row 1 is finished. Now start row 2 with a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first stitch. Then make 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And make 1 single crochet between these 2 groups here. Again, make 5 chain and skip next 5 doubles and make 1 single crochet between these 2 groups of double crochet. One more time, make 5 chain and go to next space between next 2 groups of doubles and make 1 single, and repeat that work. Make 5 chain and go to next space and make 1 single crochet, and repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, at the end, after last 5 chain, skip last group of 5 doubles and make 1 single crochet into these beginning chains of row 1. Row 2 is finished. Now start row 3 with 3 chain as first double crochet and turn the work. In this row, we have to make groups of 5 double crochet into middle chain of these 5 chains of previous row. Skip first and second chain and go to the third chain, not under these 5 chains. Insert hook into this third chain of these 5 chains and make 5 double crochet into that. Now skip next 2 chain and next single crochet and go to next 5 chains and make 5 double crochet into third chain of this group. Skip 1 and 2 chain and go to the third chain and make 5 double into that. again go to next group of 5 chains and make 5 double crochet into middle chain of this group, and repeat that work. We have to make one group of 5 double crochet into third chain of each group of 5 chain until the end. Now I'm at the end, and after last group make 1 double crochet into last stitch of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. First make 1 single crochet into first stitch, then make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chain and skip this group of 5 double and make 1 single crochet between 2 groups. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain and make 1 single between next 2 groups of double and repeat that work until the end. At the end, after last 5 chain, skip last group of double and make 1 single into third chain of beginning chains of previous row. Make 3 chain and turn the work, and then repeat row 3. These 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, or row 3 and row 4, should be repeated several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size for the project. I made my pattern with these 2 rows, and you can see that's very beautiful and very simple. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.